So, welcome to Funchal. It is roasting. There's the old fort there. So this is inside the old fort. Guess you'd have a cannon here. Ooh, tight squeeze. Right, so we move upstairs. So it is Santiago Fort. And it was built in the 17th century to protect the city from pirates. Top floor. So they're renovating it now. Obviously for more tourists, I would imagine. You can hear the bells at the church right beside us. You can see the cable cars there in the distance. I went to take the cable cars, but the two cruise ships came in, so they're full of American tourists. And the line is down the road. This is pretty cool. Memorial for Nelson Mandela. Very cool. Two sides to it. So I think this is the Jesuit church. I think that is the town hall. And I think that is the art museum. Well, that is because there's art on it, obviously. And then a lovely fountain. Yeah, it's the city hall. So that was the town hall, and it's still in use. And I had a good chat with one of the ladies inside. She's very funny. But yeah, it was 1759, I think she said, and it was a private palace, and it was taken over in 1840 or 1850 as the town hall, and it is still in use. Next we're going to the church. Oh, us Irish love a good church. Can't beat a good church. So we're on our way up to the tower. I don't know how high this goes up. Very creaky. I don't think we're allowed into that tower. See the hokey cokey, look at the size of the ship. And we're in a bit.